Every food company starts with a promise: deliver the right quality in the right quantity. ListenField.ai turns that promise into action, all the way back to the field. It begins on the ground. Every farm is speaking to us: soil, weather, crops, boundaries. But those signals are scattered and hard to read. Plan on last year's data alone and production swings. Quality comes out mixed. Volumes are hard to predict because every location has a different profile and the climate grows more volatile each season. Now switch on ListenField.ai. We understand your factory's demand, then listen to live signals and adjust every action and procedure, day by day, to secure your production. Off-spec crops come into spec. Unstable volume settles into steady, dependable supply. And when drought or heat threatens, we assess ahead to limit the damage and hold the line. How? 4 steps. We collect signals from fields, soil, weather, and satellites. We bring them together, field by field. Our Agentic AI reads all of it, from crop growth and yield to risk and location, and recommends the next best move, a dynamic procedure tuned to each place. Then those decisions reach the people who act on them. Farmers in the field, buyers planning ahead. The result: good quality and steady volume, season after season. Over 500,000 RII under management. More than 5.4 billion baht in annual value. 38% greater climate resilience across 5 countries. Because we believe every field should be heard and every harvest healthy. ListenField.ai. Turning scattered signals into production certainty.